hold up just a second, make sure everybody comes together. Hold up, get everybody. Charlie, Kevin, yep, everybody. We got all the people. All right, we'll see. One more. All right, one more. Everybody, check. Okay, we're ready. We're ready. Let it roll. That's right, everybody.
Live ka?
Wala bang make
Basta. Conrad.
Say, I'm such a geek.
We should have done.
Yep. Okay. Hello, we got to have all the... Charlie.
Your photos right now, and with us here on stage very old version of the very first season of the Universe of
Always everyone knows the 501st Cookie Garrison. Alright? So we also have up on stage with us, the good guys tonight. Jane and Edward Wagner is here. Good guys over here. Good guys. From the good team, Fun Singer. Alright, so as usual, before everybody, if you are on the earshot of what we are announcing right now, please come on over because we have such a huge spectacle of the ribbon cutting.
So now we're doing stage right now. Everyone at the end of SMS, if you guys can hear us, run over here because it's going to be a huge thing.
And I would like to see all of our guests of honor here on stage for our ribbon cutting ceremony. So again, for all those who want to see the special guests for Royal Cup 2017, come over to the main stage. The program and the ribbon cutting is about to begin.
Alright, and of course our friends from Popeye have lined up for you some very important internationals that you see following our event on social media. You know who our guests are. If you were here yesterday, then you know that we have a big lineup of international celebrity guests for you. So thank you to Popeye fans for bringing over our guests. And of course, you know, a lot of these people that are getting into this world are here for one very special person in particular. And we are talking about
personally, I really love the fact that Katana is a strong female character.
Nalalabo na naman yung mata. Nalalabo na naman yung mata ni Liza.
Please welcome our very own Miss Kate Bell. Alright, and finally, please welcome
Way back home, one of our homegrown heroes coming here on stage.
Are you ready?
Ladies and please give it up for
Miss Liza Somerville! Alright, I will take the other side of the stage because this is quite a long ride. So once again, good morning everybody. Yeah, just move on down here. So this is our ribbon cutting ceremony, and we would like to make this, as always, our the formal way of opening.
That's right.
The Toy-Con Pop Life fan experience.
So does Karen have her katana right here right now to slice open the ribbon?
Maybe.
Oh, look at the Assassin's Creed.
Yay! Perfect. All right, let me just hand over the mic to so that everybody can say a proper hi. That's to everybody.
Hello everyone, as Altair would say, nothing is true and everything is permitted. Follow the creed. Follow the creed and keep to the code.
Hi everyone, thanks for having me. Kamusta?
We've always earned your second chances.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Thank you so much for allowing me to be here today, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the day.
4 or 5 moments. It's only things. We are hero.
How are you guys doing today? You doing all right? You doing all right? Yeah. All right. Good to see y'all.
Hello. Hey, since the producer of Bruno Mars will be producing my album soon, I'll be singing a few lines from Bruno Mars' song Versace. Let's take our time to know us all the stars and watching. That's it. Thank you.
Yo, Philippines, what's up, y'all? Let me hear you say that's what's up. That's right. Love y'all.
Yeah, thanks, Vic. All right, so here we go. we are going to be starting off our ribbon cutting ceremony.
Can we have our official,
maybe anybody with a object? No. I think Liza has the weapon of choice for our ribbon cutting. So everybody, once again, a very warm round of applause for all of our guests for the Pop Life Fan Experience.
Thank you so much for joining us for ToyCon 70. And with that, Liza, can you please all together pick up the ribbons? Can you all hold the ribbons, please?
Yes, please.
And at the count of 3, 2, 1. ToyCon 2017 is officially open. Peace to ToyCon 2017.
And the Pop Life Fan Experience, thank you. So we have a jam-packed schedule for today. RJ and Ali are going to be up on stage, so we'll be interviewing each and every one of your favorite celebrity guests. So please stay with us for the rest of the day. We have 4 stages spread out all around the event area, so just enjoy. Let's take a group picture. Alright, and join us in dancing. Let's take a very quick group picture with everybody here.
And again, we'd like to thank all of our guests who have come to the Philippines. Like we'd like to say over here in our country, it's more fun in the Philippines. Guys, thank you so much for joining us over here.
Thank you very much.
On Pop Life Fan Experience.
Alright, and next up for Miss Liza is going to be, she will be visiting the ABS-CBN booth.
So Liza, thank you so much for joining us here today. Wait, can we hear who's happy to see Liza Soberano here on stage? Liza, ang dami mong fans dito ngayon and they're very, very happy to be here right now. What's it like for you, the first time ever for you to come to a ToyCon experience? What is it like for you? Are you overwhelmed by all the people here right now?
Yes, actually it's amazing. I've never been to any type of convention before, and it's amazing that I'm also with other Hollywood actors and actresses, and it's so fun seeing all the different characters that I grew up watching, and I hope everybody else enjoys as much as I am enjoying.
Okay, well, how does it feel to be in front of thousands or millions, probably, of comic book enthusiasts? I mean,
I'm really happy to be here and to be amidst people who keep our comic industry alive. And I'm really happy to be part of this event because dito naman talaga nagsimula si Darna. So, at least a bit of the comic industry culture will be
ingrained into you.
Yeah.
That's how you feel. I mean, you take you on such an iconic role, and you do realize how many people really love that homegrown character. I mean, what's going on through your head as you prepare for the role, or as you take on this new role in your life?
Well, I'm very excited. I'm also nervous because it's the first time I'm going to be doing anything like this. I've always been doing romance, comedy films, but doing an action film for the first time is something different. And it's something I'm very excited to tackle, and I'm excited for everybody to watch it, and I'm excited to shoot it as well.
All right.
Okay.
So let's show some love once again for Liza, because we are going to be moving actually to first the ABS-CBN booth. ABS-CBN is actually launching the Mars Ravel of Superheroes licensing booth.
That's right.
And that is right over near the creator stage at Hall 2. Alright, so that's where Liza's going to be next. And then there are a lucky few of you who will get to meet and greet Miss Liza Soberano. And that will happen on the creator stage right over there at Hall 3. So medyo marami tayong lalakarin for the Liza fans. So please follow us as we go around. But also stick around here on the main stage. We are going to be having our first international celebrity scheduled interview in just a few minutes also.
And as they continue to celebrate your ToyCon at SMX, again, let's please offer the hashtag to all the fans here right now.
The hashtag is ToyCon 2017 or ToyCon Pop Life Fan X. Okay, so for all of your all of your photos, please post them with those hashtags. Hashtag ToyCon 2017 or hashtag ToyCon Pop Life Fan X.
And again, thanks so much to the 501st Legion and our friends from Fight Sabers. Give them a round of applause.
All right,
thanks so much.
So we'll bring them
all with you.
We'll bring them up on stage again. The Star Wars folks will be going up on stage for a quick picture. Maybe you can do that right now. Okay, so we don't get.
And again, Liza, thank you so much. We'll see you at the ABS-CBN. Let's give a round of applause to Liza Soberano.
All right, and We'd also like to thank, of course, our partners who made this event possible. Thank you to Glow and also to Maxi Electric. Wait lang. Thank you to Adidas. Warner Brothers Pictures. Our media partner, of course, is ATSTV. And also thank you to Mike G.
Ayan na lang. Mabukas ng
Advance.
Gilid po, mama, huwag na po kayo sumunod. Gilid muna po, gilid.
Gilid po, huwag po.
Makikiraan lang po, makikiraan.
Gilid. Huwag na po sumunod.
Hi, Hopi.
Kita mo na, kita mo na. Dito, tayo dito.
Tayo raw dito.
Saan kita mo?
Tayo ka raw muna.
Wait. Kita pa sa kabila.
Mali.
Mali, dito lapat. Lang po, ay naku. Usog lang po para makapag-photo po tayo ng maayos. Ayan. Usog lang po, ma'am, sir. Thank you. Usog lang po. Papicturean lang po sila ito sa booth. Ayan. Usog pa po. Sorry po, mga kapamilya. Thank you. Picture po, photo op. Ay, Miko, yung mga teammates natin, ayan. Makasama po natin. Okay, last few seconds na lang. Papasok po si Liza. Okay na tayo. Sige, papasok mo na si Liza. Ay, ito. Ay, TV crew, mga media, ito po.
Group photo. You guys want to go with the rabbit?
So Rex, Liza, photo piece together.
Yeah, picture po with the for the TV crew, sir, ma'am. Hindi kita makita pero
I see her, Liza, I see her. I see her. One more last here. Liza, one more. Rub below. Here.
One here for Star Magic. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Alright.
Here din po.
Liza, I see her.
Thank you, Paul. We'll just do the walkthrough.
Away po muna, away. Kuya, ano sa media lang? So, bigyan po natin ng space, ng slide, opo, para po makita yung comment.
1 round. Yes. Yeah. Use a
cut po muna
can you just bring her here? Okay, go.
Thank you.
Wala pong lalampas sa red light. Napasok po na Liza. Liza, masok po na. Okay. Wala pong lalampas sa red. There you go. Wala pong lalampas sa red line lang po para may ano.
Oo, walang tulakan.
Wait lang po.
Walang tulakan.
Wait lang po. Kailangan ko po yung TV Patrol. Pwede mo padaanin nyo po.
Padaanin nyo po. Excuse me lang po.
Sige po. Padaanin nyo po. Dadaan po. Sorry.
Ano na ako to?
Sir, saan tayo, sir? Stage. Kuya, wag na kayo mura.
Para kayo mga ano kayo. Move lang. Sa kabila. Ito ka kuya.
Okay, good morning everyone. Good afternoon actually. So first up, thank you everyone for coming, and we are very happy to present the lead star of our Star Cinema's upcoming movie Darna with Liza Soberano. Would you like to say hi again?
Yes, hi everybody. How are you? Gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa lahat po ng pumunta dito ngayon at sana mag-enjoy po kayo. And don't forget to visit the ABS-CBN Mars Ravelo 2. Thank you.
Alright, so first up, Liza, I think the Ravelo family would like to present a little gift, a token for you. Let's go po. Sir Ma. Afternoon po, sir. Would you like to say something for everyone and for Liza?
On behalf of the Ravelo family, on behalf of Mars Ravelo, we would like to thank you for accepting the role of Darna. Okay, we have something for you, Mrs. Paul. And we have these 4 panels. The first 4 panels of Darna that was done. When this was done, nobody knew how big Darna will be. So ito po yung first 4 panels ng Darna illustrated during the late 40s. So this might be a good symbol for you, a good beginning for Darna. Thank you. This is Ma. Once again, thank you very much.
Okay, let's give the Ravelo family Liza a round of applause.
Photo op!
Okay, can we guys have a group picture, please? And with the with the 4 panels. Ayan, perfect. Okay, alright. Okay, thank you very much. And now we will proceed to the meet and greet proper. I understand there were 25 lucky winners from an online contest that Toycon has done the past few days. So, ayan. So, one by one, nandito po yung ating mga winners. Okay, so stand by the photographer na po. Who's our official photographer? The official photographer for the meet and greet. Okay, alright. Okay, so the first winner. Okay, go. Okay, next please.
Guys, i-clear lang natin para din yung mga nanonood, baka nood po. Opo.
Yung for those who are covering on stage, baba po tayo ng konti para po makita po ng mga nasa baba ng stage si Liza. Okay, next please. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumali sa contest ng Toycon. for all your posts, please use the hashtag Liza at ToyCon2017 and hashtag Darna. Mga kapamilya, please do not forget to support this groundbreaking movie na ilalabas po in Philippine cinemas and global cinemas soon. Okay, next please. Thank you very much. Nakakatuwa, no? Ang daming sumali sa contest. And well, it's sad that only 25 were accommodated, pero I'm sure when the time comes, marami pa tayong contest na gagawin for us to be one with Liza. And of course, please don't forget to visit the ABS-CBN booth featuring the Ravilo Comic Superhero Collection. Okay. Are you excited? Why? Saan ka galing? Makati. Oh. Next, please. And of course, we would like to thank the crews, TV crews, digital press from ABS-CBN, other bloggers, writers, influencers who are here to grace the ToyCon and to support Darna.
One more. No phones.
Thank you, John Enriquez, for waking up so early in the morning. The whole franchise team, spearheaded by Micah. MJ Felipe is here. Thank you, Tito MJ, for coming. Ayan. Teka.
One more. Thank you.
Okay.
May something ba ako dito? Oo.
Photographer, picture photographer. Ready, one more. Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, shoot, photographer. Nice, Jay. Jay, di ka kita sa camera. Yan, inga, yan. Sa kanya. Wait lang, may statue. Wait lang. Yun. Bro, lapit mo pa. Bro, lapit mo pa.
Next to natin.
Yan, okay. Yun. Look here. One more. One, two. Okay.
One more. Dito po.
Kuya.
Okay.
Ano naman ikaw pa? Thank you. Siyempre. Ano ba? Ready? One, two. One more.
Okay, thank you very much. Next na po natin.
Welcome. Ako gumawa niya. Ano yung pwesto mo sa... Hey, talaga bang base sa kanya? Kamukha niya. Yes.
Okay. We would like to request everyone to, atras lang po tayo so that everyone at the back will see Liza.
Thank you.
Guys, on stage. Guys, on stage. Let's give everybody a chance to see Liza. Atras lang po tayo ng kaunti. And the next will be in the next request will be in German, so you will not understand. So let's give everyone at the back a chance to see Liza. Tama ba? Okay, sabi nila, atras daw po. Let's, baba po tayo. I know. Baba lang po, para makita po na ng mga nasa likod. Di ba po? Okay, ayan. Next po. Thank you.
It's okay. You're live.
ayusin na natin yung halaman. Kasi, tama. Yes, tama. Ayan. Next, please. Again, I would like to request our photographers on stage na yumuko para makita po ng nasa baba ang ano. Okay. Okay, next please. Okay, next po.
One more. Okay, thank you. Okay, last na. Picture with the statue lang. Photographer, sir. One more.
Okay. So, sa mga fans na nasa baba, we will just have Liza interviewed by our TV crews dito sa stations. Nakakaway muli siya after. Yes, nakatayo. Okay, thank you very much. So, our TV crews, please position yourselves here. Atras na po natin yung statue.